Hi there, are you ready to turn your vision into impact? In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to purchase Elementor hosting account and to set up WordPress on your brand new hosting account so that you can get your website up and running in no time. To get started, we need to purchase your Elementor hosting account. So you can see we're here on the Elementor page. It says here that they're starting from $2.99 per month. That's in the US dollars. We'll click on See Plans, and that's going to take us all the way down to the bottom. We can see here there's a variety of plans. Honestly, for most people in the beginning, this one here, the light plan, is all you're going to need. You can always upgrade to all of these as you go at any point in time. Upgrading to the basic one is not a bad idea because it includes the Pro Builder, which can be really beneficial. There's quite a few features in the Pro Builder that you might find useful. But for now, we're just going to sign up for the $2.99 per month plan. Click on Buy Now. And for the sake of setting this up, I've created myself a Gmail account. You can see here it's already picked that up. I recommend for most people to, even if you're a business, to still set up a Gmail account because everything becomes a lot easier when you're controlling everything in one place with a Gmail account as opposed to a business account. Now we're viewing this in another language, so let's switch to English. And I'm going to put my details in. Whoopsies. Michelle from iDropper. That could be my surname today. And I've got my Gmail account there, based in Australia. It's optional to put the address in, so we'll leave that as optional. I'm going to leave the business name as optional as well. It wants to know our postcode, so I'll just put in 5000, which is the postcode for Adelaide. Continue. Now, obviously, you're going to put in your credit card details, or PayPal is the other option that they provide. So let me just pause the video while I enter my details. Now, it's not that I don't trust you all with my credit card details, but I'd like to keep them secret just for a little bit. Okay, so all I did then was enter my credit card details and hit the submit button, and it's brought me to this page here. So the next thing we're going to do is install WordPress ready for us to use. So I'm going to scroll down here and start creating my website. So I'm going to click on that button. Elementor makes it extremely easy to get WordPress up and running. WordPress is actually free, but you do need a hosting platform for your website regardless, that WordPress is free. It needs to be somewhere, hosted somewhere, and Elementor I have found to be pretty much the cheapest hosting around and allows you to just do everything so seamlessly. So we're going to be creating a new site and waiting for it to just set a few things up. The great thing about this as well is that it's going to add some plugin things that we need, and normally would have to set that up manually ourselves, but Elementor is doing it all for us, so that's absolutely amazing. Now, if I click on Manage this website, that's going to take me to my Elementor dashboard, or go to the editor is going to take me into my WordPress website where we can start editing. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to go in and edit that website that you've just installed, but for now, maybe we'll just quickly click on Manage Website. So you can see here you've now got your Elementor dashboard. It's going to show me this is the site here. Now you'll see that it's given it a temporary domain name. We can fix that later, but for now that's going to be the domain name. So if you want to share your website with someone, you can just click on this button here to copy that domain name, and they'll be able to have a look at what you're up to. That's it from me for now. So you've successfully purchased your Elementor hosting account and set up WordPress. Now you're all set to turn your vision into impact. So happy building, and we'll see you in the next lesson.